Hello, if your Audio-Technica ATH headphones earpads look worse than your grandma's skin, you can easily replace pad with new, smooth, and nice ones that wouldn't compare to my grandma's skin. This tutorial is for all Audio-Technica ATH headphones. Just make sure to order the correct earpads. Links to new replacement earpads is in the video description. First, remove the old earpads, which simply peel off. Clean off any debris. Then, stretch the edge of the new replacement earpad, which will make it easier to put on. After that, place the edge of the earpad inside the headphone housing groove. To make it work, it's important to hold the already in place part of the pad's edge. Repeat the same for the second new earpad cushion. Remember, old earpads not only look bad, but also affect the sound. Here's the result. I'm happy with it. For just a few dollars, I've managed to restore the headphones. I wish you good luck in restoring your headphones too.